Hi, good evening. How you all doing? Extreme Heat Pete here. Today we're going to do a little food review of Burts firecracker lobster crisps. I'm teaming it up with some Asda extra special habanero chutney, tomato and habanero chutney. So I'm going to see how these go. I've had these before. I had this before, but never thought of teaming them up together. So yeah. But before we crack on with that, update you on a few things I've been up to recently. We found a competition winner for the competition to win some Extreme Heat Peak merchandise. Winner name's Barry from Sussex. He's going to attempt to do an online challenge with me for the Instant Regret 6.4 million Scoville. So me and him are going to do an online video together. Across the miles, I'm going to send him some of the chocolate over to him to do the challenge, and as a reward for doing it, he gets some limited edition Extreme Heat Peak merchandise. So that's going to be fun. That's coming up in a couple of weeks' time. Next challenge I'll be doing is Korean fire 2 times spicy noodles. This is going to be hot, very hot. I'm going to add some. Well, I'm going to show you in a sec what I'm going to add to it, but yeah. Right, I've found a few sauces to try on my travels out and about. We've got a set of 5 Ancona. We've got a piri piri. That's going to be worth a try. We've got a West Indian hot pepper sauce. Another one worth a try. We've got sweet mango chili sauce. Should be interesting. We've got Thai sweet chili. That's going to be nothing, is it? And a piece de resistance. I came across this yesterday. Carolina Reaper hot sauce. So yeah, looking forward to that as well. So anyway, let's crack on. God, it smells so good. Right, see, it's nice and thick. You wouldn't have thought Chutney with crisps, but you know, I thought to I thought to myself the other day, uh, I fancied a little snack. Yeah, I purchased these a few weeks ago. I purchased a big box of 24 from a wholesaler. But these are made in Devon by a company called Burts. They've used chilies from the South Devon chili farm in the making of these. So, I like them. My favourite brand of crisps here in the UK. So, here we go. That, oh, sorry, the cat's trying to eat it while I'm showing it to you. You got the Burt's crisp, nice colour, nice smell. Oh wow, that really goes well. That. Crikey. For all you people new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Hope you're enjoying what videos I'm doing so far. Uh, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh well, crack on. Yeah, all these videos I do on YouTube, Facebook, sales of merchandise, sales of my hot sauce, which I'm in the process of making, pickled onions, spicy pickled eggs, branching out a bit, experiment. But yeah, all the profits from sales of the merchandise and the food products I produce, and any donations made via the videos, go straight to the four charities. The four charities are Birmingham's Children's Hospital, Warwick and Northampton Air Ambulance, Mental Health UK, and Cancer Research UK. Four charities close to my heart. Most of you who know me know I battled cancer 10 years ago, survived it. So I'm just trying to repay the people who helped me. Oh, this stuff is definitely worth trying. People of the UK, get out and buy this stuff. This is amazing. For you in America, as is known as Walmart, so get yourself down to Walmart, see if you can get it. Close up pick. Yeah, this is really, really enjoyable. This, I'd highly, highly, highly recommend this. No, folks, I'm going to end this now. Remember, subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. We got some really good stuff coming up. Really, 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 really good stuff. And on another note, I'm looking for one person to join my team. So if you think you can join my little family of Extreme Heat Pete, drop me a comment. Tell me what you likes, your interests, how spicy you like your food. Maybe I'll add you to my team. We can do a few online videos together and have a bit of fun on the way. All right, anyway, peace, people. Remember, like, subscribe, share.